Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 2-balloon giraffe. I'm going to jump straight into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need for this giraffe are a dual action hand inflator, 260 sized balloon twisting balloons. Links to both of these items can be found in the description below. A Sharpie if you'd like to add some facial details to your giraffe. Once you've smashed that like button and gather your supplies, let's get started. My first balloon, which is going to be the giraffe's body, I'm going to blow up to about 4 finger lengths tail. Let some air out to soften the balloon and tie it off. To start this giraffe, I'm going to start on the nose, work my way down through the tail. I'm going to use the horse face, which is 2 pinch twists, followed by a 2 to 3 inch section, and then 2 more pinch twists for the ears. For my first pinch twist or ear twist, you can call it whatever you want, I'm going to make a 1-inch bubble. I'm going to hold the nozzle of this bubble with my thumb and index finger while I put pressure on the back of this balloon with my remaining fingers. Then with my free hand, I'm going to pull up this 1-inch bubble and twist it around a few times. There we have 1 pinch twist. Now we're going to make a second one by making another 1-inch bubble. Folding this bubble down. Putting a little bit of pressure on the sides of this pinch twist here, lifting up that second bubble and twisting it around to make a pinch twist slash ear twist. Those look like giraffe lips to me. If you've ever been on a zoo safari tour where you're feeding the animals outside of your car window and you get a giraffe with a long tongue reaching in there, you're gonna notice these puppies. Squeeze your balloon just to soften it a bit. Now I'm going to make about a 2 to 3 inch section here, followed by another 1-inch bubble that I'm going to turn into an ear twist. Fold my balloon down so that that bubble is on top, squeeze the 2 sides of the bubble gently, lift up the top bubble and twist it around a few times. Now I'm going to make 1 more 1-inch bubble and turn that into an ear twist. For this one, I think it's easiest to make a peace sign and frame the ear twist that I've already made. Bend my balloon down and put pressure on this part of the balloon in towards this joint, lift up that bubble and twist it around to make an ear twist. These are some tight twists to make, so if you don't get it your first try, give it a couple other shots, don't get discouraged. I've even popped a few balloons recording this video. Take it easy on yourself, you got this. My balloon's feeling kind of tight, so I'm going to give it a squeeze. This is going to be the giraffe's head. Now I'm going to make the long neck. And from here, I'm going to do the basic animal body where I make 2 front legs. I'll make a section about 4 inches, fold it up, make that second leg, twist those legs around to make a joint, make a small little body, and then make 2 back legs the same way I made the front legs. Alright, now we have the basic giraffe shape. You can set this to the side while we inflate our second balloon, or if you're working in a restaurant, you can put it under your arm to kind of conserve space. Doing balloon twisting in restaurants, I really had to keep my elbows in because a few times I would do a quick break and hit a waiter or waitress. I felt really bad, so I had to learn to twist with my elbows in a little bit more. Now we're going to inflate our second color. Mine's going to be brown for the hair on the back of its neck and the horns. I'm going to inflate this balloon about halfway, so I'm going to leave about 7 to 8 finger lengths tail. We're going to do a lot of twists on this one, that's why I need a lot of tail. To connect my 2 balloons, I'm going to wrap the nozzle of my second balloon around the ears of my giraffe body. I'm going to start by making the horns, so I'm going to make about a 1-inch section here, followed by 2 1-inch bubbles. Then I'm going to make another section that's the same size as this first one. And now I'm going to connect this twist with this joint here. Remember, if you need to put pressure on anything, put pressure on the balloon that has the tail on it because air has room to go in that balloon. So I'm gonna squeeze right here just to give myself a little bit more room and try to slide this balloon under the ears. From here, I'm going to twist this second balloon around the giraffe head a few times. I want to orient my second balloon so that it's coming out the opposite side of the giraffe head. Now I'm going to make a bunch of consecutive 1-inch bubbles to go all the way down this giraffe's neck, and I'm going to connect my last twist here with the front legs. If you haven't watched my balloon twisting basics video, the best way to do consecutive bubbles is to twist the same side of the balloon. I twist the side with the tail on it, and always twist it in the same direction. So I'm going to be twisting this side of the balloon with my right hand, always towards me. If I'm holding both sides of this balloon, they will not come undone, but the minute that I release one hand, all of these twists are gonna come undone. The best way that I've found to do it is to grab this first twist with my pinky so that I'm holding on to one edge of the balloon, and then I have my thumb and my index finger available to continue making these twists. Once I have enough bubbles to reach all the way down to the front legs, I'm going to twist my second balloon around my front legs. Now I'm going to do a quick break with my second balloon and tie it off. With this excess deflated balloon, I try to hide it between the front legs. If you're unfamiliar with the quick break method, check out my balloon twisting basics video. Now we'll add some Sharpie art. And here we have our 2-balloon giraffe. If this was helpful, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.